If you've ever wanted to bring multiple friends into one conversation on Discord, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and control Discord group chats, step by step, so you can start a group message, add more people, and customize the group name and display picture with ease. This is super useful for gaming squads, study groups, project teams, or just keeping all your friends in one place without having to jump between separate DMs. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Discord tips and tech guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Discord and go to the direct message of the friend you want to use as the starting point for your group chat. If you already have a DM open with one of the people you want to include, that makes the process even faster. Once you're inside the DM, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Add Friends to DM button, which looks like a profile icon with a plus symbol. Click that button to begin creating your group. A pop-up window will appear, and this is where you choose the friends you want to add to the chat. You'll see your available friends list, and from there, select the people you want to include in the group message. Take a moment to make sure you've picked the right users before moving forward. After selecting the friends, click Create Group Message. Discord will instantly generate a brand new group chat with fresh chat history, which means you are starting a new conversation space just for the selected people. Once the group is created, you can start sending messages right away. Now that the group chat exists, you can also invite more friends if needed. To do that, look for the Invite Friends button inside the group chat and click it. This is the easiest way to expand your conversation without having to restart the entire group. You can keep adding members as long as they're available on your friends list or eligible to join the chat. After that, if you want the group to look more organized or personal, click on the Edit Group button. This is where you can change the group name so it's easier to identify at a glance. You can also add a group display picture, or group DP, to give the chat its own unique look. A custom name and icon can make the chat feel more fun, more professional, or just easier to recognize when you have lots of conversations open. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can create a Discord group chat, invite more friends, and customize the group so it feels exactly how you want. If this video helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple Discord tutorials, app walkthroughs, and helpful how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.